Today on CG Off-Road, we're going to make our 2017 Silverado look a whole lot better. We recently installed a FabTech 6-inch lift on our 2017 Silverado, and it still has the smaller wheels and tires from before, so today we're going to make it look a whole lot better with a proper set of wheels and tires. Alright, let's get these smaller wheels and tires off this truck for something that fits it a little bit better. These bad boys are XD Series grenade wheels with a satin black and milled finish. We decided to go with their 20x9-inch wheel to nicely complement our 6-inch lift. They feature a matte black finish with milled accents and a beadlock style for a sinister look, and they feature 5 inches of backspacing with a 3-inch lip and 0 offset for killer fitment. We wrapped them with a set of 35x12.5 fuel gripper tires that'll make this truck perform better off-road and bring everything together to make it look awesome. Okay, so we got our XD Series grenade wheels installed onto our 2017 Silverado. It makes it look so much better. It looks like a truck really should with this 6-inch lift. There was a little bit of rubbing with the factory mud flaps, so we removed them and now they fit perfectly. You can get these wheels individually or as a set of 4 with tire packages at cjponyparts.com.